Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a wallet on Uphold. Let's get straight into it. The first step to this is to open the Uphold's website, or open the mobile app and log into your account from either one using your email address and password. And then you want to click on the wallet tab, and then click on the create a new wallet button. Next, you want to choose the type of wallet that you want to create. Could be a cryptocurrency wallet, could be a fiat currency wallet, or it could be a precious metal wallet. Next, you want to set up a name and description for your wallet, and then you want to set your wallet settings. That's going to include the word currency, address, as well as the wallet security settings. Lastly, you just review your wallet setup and confirm that the information is accurate. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up a wallet on Uphold. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what your thoughts, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.